All righty, this is a session recap for the 6th day of November. This morning we were watching as the dollar index is just doing a flag. Now it's got no room to the downside. That's the problem. They really need to take at least to the heart line, if not even higher. All right, so we're down here in the bottom. There's no room for us here. Yeah, the next target is the S9 down here at 105.16 area, but there's not a way to get there until we get up here. Now we have a way to get there. All right, so if we were to pull up to here, now we have a way to get there. From here, we're going to slam right into this bottom. Yeah, so there's nothing here. So we need this pullback, and they're trying to do it. As you can see, the bulls are here trying to push it up, but they're not getting any traction because the bears constantly come in. Why are they coming in? Because there are option contracts sitting down here that pay millions, maybe billions of dollars. They don't want it to go up. They want it to go down. All right, but it needs a pullback. And until we get that, we're probably not going to see any movement at all. All right. So we're going to go with the pullback to the upside, but dollar tells us we are going to go up. All right, so we got a target up here. Let me get rid of this one. Don't need that one now. We got a target up here at 108.04 area right there. And the ATR from the currency, let me pull that up here. And back to this, ATR on the euro dollar is 80 pips, right? Over to pound dollar. Pound dollar, we need a pullback here. We're in the top. We're waiting for it to pull back and then bounce. Our target is up here at 24.68. Doubtful that'll happen for a day or two. 94 pip ATR. Until they get a pullback, it's almost surely not going to happen. All right. So if the dollar pulls back, this will pull down and give us a shot at that. All right, but not until. Over to dollar Swissy, following that dollar index, okay? And it's got a down channel, and it's still showing down. We're below the MACD line. We don't have 55 pips to the target. Target is at 0.8938, and dollar Swissy has a 60 pip ATR. Dollar yen, all right, we're stuck inside this pennant right in here. And if dollar pulls back, this will probably break out and go to target, which is at 150.34. Watch for the sell-off there. All right, that will adjust the channel. And remember, the dollar most likely is going down. All right, so it needs a pullback to go down. All right, so that opportunity is to the upside, very short-lived, 92 pip ATR. Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar right up here in the top of the channel, nothing to do. The target is at 65.75, but they're not going to be able to get there. They're inside a range and a channel top right there. Hard to do that. 63 pip ATR on Aussie dollar. Euro yen, all right, Euro yen, we're waiting for a bounce, and our target is up here at, let me get rid of this. We got 55 pips, 161.41 on euro yen, but the time of day is against us, so we don't want to trade it this time of day. All right, so there it is. Wait for 5 o'clock. You'll get a new ATR. It'll be even higher up here. Maybe you'll get the trade. It goes opposite the dollar. So if the dollar pulls back, then it's going to go down. If the dollar keeps trying to go down, then this will have a shot. All right, so euro yen has 119 pip ATR. Same thing here on the pound yen. We got a pullback here to the 382, looking for the bounce, and we're looking to come up here to 186.29, holding for 186.37, which is the 1,000 fib up there. All right, pound yen has an ATR of 145 pips. Watch for that to happen. Maybe after 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR, and that ATR will bring you up to the day chart top up here. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, waiting for it to bounce, and maybe we're getting it here. I don't know. It's a pretty small ATR, only 59 pips, so real tough to trade it. The target is 60.50 up there. Aussie yen, all right, waited for the breakout all morning, never broke out. We're looking for a target of 98 up there, and Aussie yen has an 84 pip ATR. Euro pound, can we trade it yet? And euro pound now only 39 pip ATR, so I can't touch it yet. Euro Aussie, all right. It's kind of a quandary here because we got a downside move with nowhere to go. They need to pull it back up. We do have room to the target to the upside, but it remains to be seen if it's going to happen. Euro Aussie has 126 pip ATR. That would bring it up there to 66.05 area, and then watch for the sell-off there, all right. Euro Aussie, all right. Pound Aussie, all right. We did get our pullback here, and we missed target by 2 pips is all right there. That's it. And you know, it could be done right now. MACD still showing you we're trying to go up. So, you know, wait till it proves what it's doing. All right. And pound Aussie has an ATR of 142 pips. All right. Euro New Zealand, about 2/3 of the way to target right now. We're looking for 180.41 area, holding for 180.50. And Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 142 pips. Pound New Zealand, no problem. Go right to the ATR to the upside. They're doing their pullbacks. Dollar is not, but they are getting their pullbacks. All right. So if they want to go down, they can now. MACD tells you you're still looking for up. So it looks like we're still looking to go up. And if dollar goes down tonight, this will probably go up. All right. So Pound New Zealand has an ATR of 143 pips. New Zealand yen, waiting for it to come to the downside. Our target is down here at 84.92 area, and New Zealand yen has an 80 pip ATR. All right. Aussie Swissy, all right, waiting for it to make the turn. We don't have enough room now to the target, but after 5 o'clock, you'll get a new one. Aussie Swissy has an ATR of 51 pips, so it's very difficult to trade because you got to get 55 pips. Pound Swissy, Pound Swissy, our target is up. We're not trading it at all because of the day chart top being hit, but there is a little room in here. Possibly you'll get that. All right, MACD's already telling you, but you don't hold your breath on that because we're trying to come down. So watch for the 5 o'clock ATR tonight. Watch what dollar's doing, and most likely this will continue on down to the downside tonight. And Pound Swissy has an ATR of 78 pips. Finally, Aussie New Zealand, tough to trade it. It's barely 53 pips, so it's tough to trade. It easily went to target last night, and it put the extra 2 pips in for 55 down there, as you can see. Watch for it to continue on down tonight after 5 o'clock, but it's only going 53 pips, folks, so it's hard to trade this thing to the downside, all right? Okie dokie.